Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf said, when we reached Madina Munawwara, I said, is there any bazaar where trade is conducted? He replied, market of Kainuka. Hazrat Anas reports that Hazrat Abdurrahman bin Auf said, lead me to the bazaar. Hazrat Umar said, business in the market kept me unaware. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a troop will launch a raid on the Kaaba. When they are at the land of Baida, they all from the start to the end will be sunk into the ground. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how will they all from the start to the end be sunk, whereas there will be their bazaars and those who will not be amongst them? He said, all the people from the start to the end will be sunk and then resurrected according to their intentions. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2118.